In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Wrangler key fob. This key fob was used between 2007 and 2018 and takes just one CR2032 battery. It's super easy to change the battery yourself. You do not need to pay someone to do it for you. All you will need is to pick up one of these batteries online, and I've put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and then all you need to do is just follow along. First step, locate this little slot in the side of the key fob. Take a tool like a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just hold everything firmly and gently twist. Gently twist until you've started to open up this, pull the back off this key fob, and then I like to go in that opening, twisting, working my way down until it just nicely comes apart like that. Here's where the battery is. All we need to do is remove this rubber part. Carefully set that to the side. And now we can just go ahead and get under the battery, and you can see with very little effort, you just kind of lift it up and it will pop out of place. There's our CR2032. Take a new one, make sure this positive side goes face down, and just insert it back in and click it, just like that. It's really all it takes. It's very easy. Just need to put this rubber part back on, make sure it feels secure there, and then put this on top of that. Give everything a click back together, and you're finished. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or give us a like. And for more information on changing the internal batteries in key fobs of any make or model, visit fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.